And you can also add contour labels. So even though we labeled these already, maybe we want another string of labels over here. So what we would do is go to surfaces, go to label by crossing, and it's going to ask you to select the lines to label. So if I select these lines here, and then it's going to ask you where you want the labels to be drawn. So you have a from point and a to point, and you also can set your text style. So if I go from and to, and I put my cursor here and I drag it across, then it will label all those contours. Now, if I'd only want to label certain ones, then just select the ones you want to label. So if I know I want the major contour, and maybe I just want, you know, these down here to be labeled, I'm going to select just those specific contours. So maybe every other one, and I can go from and to, and it's only going to label those specific contours. And now you can see it also doesn't break the line, it's putting a mask or a whiteout around the piece of text.